Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Magical Earth box for the month of August 2019. Let's check it out. This is the... I always have a hard time. This is the premium box, which is their highest tier box. Thank you. August 23rd to September 23rd. So this one runs from zodiac sign to zodiac sign, which is pretty cool. The star. Very cool. The star. It's got a little information. I like that they include information about the tarot card in here. Especially if it's like not one that I can recognize very well. Leo, this is a powerful month of culminations and endings and of seeding new beginnings, catalyzing new directions and pathways towards an uplifting future, while expanding boundaries, belief, and current reality for yourself and others. Release the restrictions and burdens of the past and take your flaming spirit light into the future for all to see, as we collectively ignite the fire of a new hearth that serves us all. So that's pretty cool. Monthly forecasts in Virgo. Okay, so I will keep that. Oh, wow. Intentions pendant. Place something that represents your intentions of abundance. And this is pretty cool. Looks like the jar. That's really, really cool. I love it. Alright. Let's see what other magical goods we have here. Looks like I've got a coin. It's really familiar. It reminds me of like something I would see on a Jaguar or something. Ooh. A little bottle full of goodies. We got a little bitty citrine here. We've got a little tiny clear quartz. We've got a jade. We've got a pyrite. Seeing a theme here. Money, 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 money. Alright, we've got a green adventurine. Ah, this got stuck. Ouch. Okay, you go over here. We've got a garnet. Ooh, I don't have garnet. It's very dark, but I can see the red when I shine the light in it. Beautiful. Aww, a sweet little horseshoe. So cute. And a little candle holder. And a green candle. Boop. Well, it's too fat right now. And then I've got this grid here. And it looks like a tree of life. A little bit thin, but very cool. Alright, let's read this. This month is all about prosperity. The collection of stones and items were curated to promote abundance and wealth. Abundance comes in many forms in our lives. It can be financial, family, love, adventure. Your choice is about what is in your heart and what is important to you. Crystal grid, see enclosed cards. So basically it's a prosperity crystal grid. And then, each of the crystals are meant to go a certain place. So that's kind of cool. I might do that on my Mabon altar. We'll see about that. Or I'll think about it. I'll think how I'll use it. There's a horseshoe for luck. Hang right side up. What is that? I'll have to look it up. What's right side up for a horseshoe? I think it's this way. Chinese luck coin for attracting good luck and enhanced positive chi. Keeping your wallet or purse. Prosperity bottle filled with pyrite, grain aventurine, and gold flakes. Pretty cool. Intention pendant. See for specific instructions. And so basically, you place something that represents abundance to you. Pyrite. Right here. Quartz. Green aventurine. Is this one? Jade. So longevity, luck. It empowers thoughts and perspectives. And then this is symbol of wealth and good luck. Citrine, positivity, growth, and abundance. Garnet encourages you to go out, seize the day, and live life to its fullest potential. Then we have the monthly astrology forecast and a tarot card drawn especially for me. So this is a very, very cool box. I really do like it. And it is something that I would totally do. I have to think of when I'm going to do it. I mean, I think there's a full moon in Taurus coming up at some point in the fall. So the Capricorn would be in... Wait, no. Pisces is next. And that's in September. So it should be in November would be the full moon in Taurus. So that's going to be a good time. Or for Mavon, which I think is also a good time. Anyway, this is the Magical Earth box for August 2019. It is like prosperity themed, which is really cool. Definitely different from my other boxes this month. I very much like all the crystals and the little magical odds and ends. They're very charming. So this is their premium box. They have a whole bunch of other options. I'm going to leave a link to their main subscription page, and it'll have all the options on that page. I'm going to be picking the winner for my 600 subscriber giveaway tomorrow morning, so stay tuned. Tomorrow morning Pacific time. So stay tuned. I am going to, it's a full moon tonight, so, and I'm home from work. So if you would like to kind of chat about what we're going to be doing tonight, there's our group, the Hound Dog Hollow private group. You can ask to join if you're so inclined. And then, of course, the astrology study group is going well. I've got... Well, I think it's going well. I hope you guys are learning something. It's more self-guided than I think people may have thought. I'm not actually teaching. I'm learning too. I'm just showing you guys the structure of what I'm studying at the same time. And then I'm posting my notes on my Facebook page, Hound Dog Hollow. So today, I'm going to try tonight, but I am so tired after work. So if not tonight, hopefully tomorrow. Be posting up. I've got my notes for basically the introduction to how to read your natal chart, which will look something like this, except for yours should have symbols all around where the planets were, what sign and house they were in the moment you were born. So basically how to identify where everything is in your chart, and the very basics of what those things mean. So there's 3 things that are going to connect. So basically your sign, the planet, and the house. And so we're very briefly going to touch on all of that. And from there, sun signs one more time, but in the context of the actual natal chart, moon, rising, and going on from there. So stay tuned for that on the Hound Dog Hollow Facebook page. And thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Magical Earth. If you... As always, please like, comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Join us. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.